Making it in trading is not for everyone. And let me give you some context. I'm Nathan Saura. If you don't know who I am, my name is Nathan Saura. I'm 18 years old and I make between 10 and 20K a month online. And when I say trading is not for everyone, let me just tell you my story. Now, my trading story started when I was 12, 13 years old. This was when I was living in South Africa. If you don't know my story, I now live in the UK, but this was when I was living in South Africa and I was getting into trading, because I'm someone who wanted to learn how to make money online. And I'm someone who didn't really like asking my parents for money. Ever since I was young, I really did not like asking my parents for money. I wanted to do things on my own and I wanted to have my own way of making money. So, yeah, I got into the trading space. And obviously, when you get into trading, when you start trading, you will not be profitable, right? There's 100% chance, not 100%, but there's a 90% chance that you won't be profitable. And when I was a kid, me being young and dumb, obviously I was losing money, trading demo accounts, losing them, and then sometimes I would win and then I'll think I'm good enough. Then I'll start a live account in my parents' name and I'll blow their money, right? Um, so yeah, that's kind of my trading story. And it got to the point where I had stopped trading and I'd come back to trading and I'd stop trading and I'd come back to trading. And then I realized that I was always coming back to trading. So I really thought to myself, why don't I just really, really take trading seriously and do all the things that are required of me to be a profitable trader, not just a trader, but a profitable trader. And that's what I did. And that's exactly what I did. And now it got to the point where I was doing trading for like 2 years and I was obviously learning. I was still doing demo accounts and I was learning. And then I now got really comfortable trading live funds because when you trade live funds, the difference between demo and live funds is that when you're trading live funds, you become emotional. You become scared of losing the money. You become scared of putting the money in and you're risking your own money. So I started trading live funds under my dad's account because when obviously I was a kid at the time, and when your 14-year-old son is coming to you saying, can you open a live account for me? I want to get into trading. 100%. Like, if my son did that to me, I'd be really happy because it means that they're trying to do something with their life instead of playing video games and instead of doing all these things that don't actually benefit them. My dad was really happy to open the account for me. He even deposited his own money and said, enjoy, right? And obviously, I lost the money. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I lost the money and because I was emotional, right? And I just kept on putting money in, but obviously I'd gone back to the drawing board after I've lost the money. And then after I came back from the drawing board, put life funds, made my first money online, right? This is from trading. And from there, I've just kind of been in a mindset of being profitable. Obviously, there's some months where I can have bad months, right? But from there, I've just really been profitable from day trading. Now, um, the things that made me profitable from trading, a lot of people say trading is a scam and they have these things to say about trading. But if I'm being honest, just think about it like this. If you are someone who buys a car, right? And you buy a car, you don't know how to drive and you drive it and you crash. Are you not going to say driving is a scam or buying a car is a scam? No, because you've not fully learned the skill. And this is a big, big major problem that a lot of people that have tried trading and failed say. They say that trading is a scam or that they're scared and they hear all these things because trading is a big thing. But there's a very few percentage of people that actually are profitable. And I'm one of them. And the reason I'm here is because I never stopped. I learned it properly. I didn't try to take shortcuts to making money online. I learned it properly. That's why people say trading is a scam because they do it, they start it, they think they know everything. That was me. I thought I knew everything. I didn't. I'm someone who's very honest with myself. As much as I would like to think that at the time I knew a lot of things about trading, I didn't. And um yeah, so I was trading, I failed, I kept on failing. I never said trading is a scam. Hold on, sorry, it's spring and I've got allergies. And I'm not gonna edit this video because I like to be like as raw and as genuine with you as possible. But yeah, trading like A lot of people think it's a scam. They think that it's fake, or they think it's manipulated and stuff, and that it's a game rigged for you to lose as the trader, right? But that was not the case for me. I had learned the skill of trading, and I have learned it very well. I'm at the point where I now make between 10 and 20k a month online just from trading, right? The other sources of income that I have, but just from trading alone, I've made that money. And people, I can say those numbers, and people will be like, "Oh, he's lying," or they'll be like, "Oh, he got it easy," or "He's lucky," and stuff. It's not luck. I spent probably at the time, I was spending 10 hours a day educating myself. I'm now doing trading. This is my sixth, seventh year trading, right? I started when I was 12, 13, and now I'm 18, turning 19 this year. That's 6 years I've been doing this shit, right? And that's something that you guys you won't understand. But yeah, if you understand that, good. And another thing that really leveled up my trading game is really journaling, right? I was journaling things as a trader, and I've partnered with. If you don't know this, I've partnered with My Networks Journal, right? I've partnered with this company called newnetworksjournal.com, and basically what we do is, or what that company does is, we are planning on being the biggest journaling company in the world for traders, right? We are planning on taking over tradezella.com, because we all know TJR, we all know RP Trades, we all know these profitable influencers that teach and educate trading online, and most of them use TradeZella and these big trading journaling platforms. But I've partnered with newnetworksjournal.com, and we are planning on taking over the whole industry in terms of trade journaling globally. That's what we are planning on doing. That's who I've partnered with, and that's what we're going to do. And the launch, believe it or not, is Monday, tomorrow, right? We're launching Monday, tomorrow, on the 1st of June. And I'm really excited about this because we are really different from all the trade journals. We are, what we're doing is completely different. And the tools that we have to offer are going to change the trading game. Now, if you want to be a part of this, I'll add a link in the description for you guys to sign up and to do all the bits and bobs for you to be involved. But please, if you really want to be profitable from trading, and if you're really serious about getting, because you can say that you want to be rich, you want to drive a nice car, you want to have a good woman by your side and all these things, but if you're really really serious about that, then really invest in this tool, because it is very helpful. It really helped me a lot. Journaling, journaling your trades, seeing how you manage your risk, seeing how much you're losing if you lose, how much you win when you win. You can see the percentage of your trades that are profitable. And the nice thing about this tool is it also provides signals. Now, I'm going to be honest, I'm not someone who is a big fan of signals, right? I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not someone who's a big fan of signals. I think you should learn the trading game. But then again, my personal brand is I help and I educate people to make money online. And trading signals is one of those ways. So if you're someone who wants to get into trading signals, join my free Telegram. I'll put the link in the description again of this video. I have a Telegram where I give signals, because my job to you is to help you make money. I don't care how I'm doing it. As long as money is entering in your pockets, I'm happy, right? And that's what I'm doing. That's my job. So yeah, I offer signals on Telegram. If you want to be a part of that, I'll add the Telegram link, like I said before, and join the Telegram. People have been joining. Signals will be rolling out very soon, so be there or be square. But yeah, oh, and I forgot to add, the different thing about my signals that I'm offering is I actually explain why I'm entering the trade. If you've joined signal groups before, you just see numbers, TP, SL, break even points, what. Fine. But as in my what I'm offering is, I also offer, I'll give you the reason, I'll state the reason why we're entering this trade, when to set your stops to break even, when to take partials, all these things. That's what I'm offering. And this is different from, to be honest, from all of the other people that offer Telegram signals. of which when they offer, they overcharge for premium signals, which is crazy to me, right? And yeah, that's what I'm offering. That's different from most of these signal providers. So yeah, forgive me if like I'm sniffing a lot. It's spring and I've got allergies. But yeah, you really need to be on top of it if you want to make it trading. Like I was saying, I'm someone who makes between 10 and 20K a month online from trading, right? And this is in combination of live funds and funded accounts, right? I'm a big fan of funded accounts, and I will make a whole video on that, right? You know what? I really want to make a video on how you can get a payout within 1 week with what I'm having to offer with my Telegram, because I promise you guys, and trust me, my promises mean a lot. You may have tried trading and failed, but I really believe that it's because you lacked education, right? You didn't know how to actually make the money, right? It's the same thing. It's like, imagine going to school and there's no teacher. Now you're given a test. You're not gonna know what to do or what the test is about because you've not been educated on it. And that's why a lot of people that try trading fail, because there are a lot of people that just want money from them. Hold on, give me 1 second. There are a lot of people that just want money from them, and these people, they don't care if you're profitable or not. They just want the money. Now, like I said, my personal brand is helping people to make money online for free. That's what I do. That's why I'm offering signals, because I want to help you make money online for free. I'm going against my morals. I'm not someone who likes signals. I think that if you want to make money from trading, actually sit there and learn. But my job to you is to help you make money online. It's you. It's either you join the channel, it's free. If you join it, you join it. If you don't, you're missing out on big money. But yeah, I want to help you make money. So yeah, a lot of people get into trading and they think it's a scam and they say all these things. And honestly, my saying, or I go by a saying that says, um, work so hard to the point where it's unreasonable for you not to be successful, right? And if you don't understand that, or if you understand it, good. If you don't understand it, basically what that means is put so much effort into something to the point where you take luck out of the equation. Like, let's say I flip a coin. I'm a big numbers guy, right? I'm someone who's very statistical. Let's say I flip a coin 10 times. 5 times it will land on heads, 5 times it will land on tails, right? But if I keep flipping it enough, maybe out of a cycle of 10, maybe if I wanted it to land on 7, and seven times on head and 3 times on tails, it will happen if I just keep doing it long enough, right? That's the same thing. Have so much repetition in something to the point where you take a luck out of the equation, to the point where it's just unreasonable for you not to be where you want to be. And that's what I've done. Like I've said, I've been in the online trading space, not online trading space, but in the online money making space since I was 12, right? I've been doing drop shipping, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, personal branding, brand scaling, so many things, trading, day trading, futures trading, options, everything. And I've seen a lot of things and I've learned from so many people. I used to be to the point, if you're someone who just watches different content creators or different people that are actually educating on trading, you should, first of all, you should not be doing that. You should stick to one person that you really resonate with and relate to. Because if you watch different people, you'll get different advice and it will mess with your trading, right? But yeah, like I was saying, I have a free Telegram that you can join where I offer signals, because my job to you is to help you make money online, as I've helped so many other people make money online. If you want my Instagram, it's natezi underscore official. So NATEZY underscore official. Look at what I do there, and I'm currently building an account on Instagram, which is Saura Enterprise, which is my surname. So it's TSAURA underscore enterprise, and this is where all my content is. This is where you can find all education videos and all mindset videos if you want to learn how to make money online, right? So yeah, join my Telegram. It's free. Why would you not join it? It's free. That would actually be doing yourself a disservice if you're not joining the Telegram. And also look into newnetworksjournal.com, right? Look into that. Um, it's a very powerful tool that has journaling has helped me to level up my skills. And also, if you get that package from newnetworkjournal.com, you'd also find that um, the signals that I put on Telegram would also correlate to that, and it can actually enter the trade for you, right? So really get into that. I think it's something very powerful for you guys, for you especially, because you can get paid out before the next 7 days. You can have money in your account from trading if you do all the steps that I have in place, right? Do those steps and you'll see a drastic change in your life. Trust me. If you're not willing to put at least £50, not to me because I'm not getting that money, into getting a funded account and into following the signals that I have on my Telegram, right? You are going to make money. And like I was saying, do something so much to the point where it's unreasonable for you not to be successful. Let's say you didn't make money the first time. Are you telling me that if you tried that maybe 5 more times, that you won't get a payout, right? Because if I'm being honest, the chances with my signals, the chances that you get a payout is probably 70% up, right? The chances that you can get paid out before the end of the week. Now, if you're telling me that you're going to do it 5 times and out of those 5 times you won't get paid out, and by the way, if let's say you put 50 quid in, £50, 50 US dollars, whatever you're putting in, let's say you put that in and you do it 5 times, right? You will get a payout, and that payout would be more than the 50 that you've put in. It's going to be worthwhile, and that money is not even coming to me. It's going into your trading account because everything I offer is free. My job is to help you make money for free. And you're probably asking why is it free? Is there a catch? What's the catch? There's no catch. The reason I'm doing it for free is because when I started this, being a kid, I started looking into this online space when I was a kid, and no one was there to help me, right? I was alone. No one was there to help me. And I was, when you try something, especially when I was a kid, I'll try something and fail, and it will blow up in my face. I'll just start crying. I don't want anyone to go through that. You don't have to be a kid. You can be 15, you can be 17, you can be 20, you can be 23, 25, 30 years old, or 40 years old, or 50. Education should be free. That's what I believe in. Look at TJR. All his education is free. And it's honestly an amazing thing to have free education online. The only way that I charge is, obviously I do free coaching calls where the first call is free, right? To see if you're actually someone who wants to work or who wants to make money. I do coaching calls. But if you want to call me, that's where I'll charge you, because I'm now using my personal time to educate you individually. And to be honest, if I was doing it for free, that's like kind of stupid to myself. That's why I charge a fee for you to have a call with me on how we can actually make money online. But the first call is free. So if you want coaching calls, DM me. My number is available on all platforms. Anyone in the world can message me, right? Anyone. So if you want to message me on WhatsApp, on Instagram, DM me on TikTok, any platform, I'm there. Facebook, I'm there. I'm on all platforms, right? So yeah, join my Telegram, join the mynetworksjournal.com if you want to see real change. And also message me on any platform. My number's on all platforms. If you want to speak to me directly before actually putting money into this, because I know that you're not comfortable with putting money online, which I completely understand. I was there at some point. So if you want to do that, like, comment, share, subscribe, um, share this to someone who you think would really enjoy watching something like this. And as always, from Africa to the world, you know what I do. Let's build wealth. Peace.